This guy's hair starts growing out of control, first over his eyes, then onto his tongue. He tries everything to stop it, but nothing works. Days before, he was bitten by a strange werewolf, and the transformation begins. At first, everything seems fine until 12 p.m. Suddenly, his body goes wild. His nails are starting to slowly fall off. He starts eating street dogs, kills his boss, and even eats her tongue. Desperate to stop himself, he locks himself in a fridge, but it's useless. His love life falls apart because of his terrifying new look. Then, on a full moon night, his worst fear comes true. He cannot no longer control his body. It fully transforms into a werewolf and wipes out everyone in the school, except his lovely girlfriend.